This is a Puri breakfast, which is South Indian in origin. If you go to Bangalore, or if you go to Bombay, or Hubli, or even Los Angeles, or even Kuala Lumpur, if you go to a traditional Southern Indian restaurant, they will have this. And this is what they kind of eat. One of the breakfast delights of Southern India. And Puri is the flatbread that you see here I'm pointing to. Along with that always comes two side dishes, always. One is aloo bhaji, and the other one is coconut chutney or just chutney. So we call it Puri aloo bhaji chutney. Puri aloo bhaji chutney. And aloo bhaji is basically, aloo is potato, bhaji is vegetable. So you can have aloo, which is the potato, and you can have other vegetables with it in a light sauce. Drier is better because the way I eat it, I kind of put it on, and if it's wet, then it soaks the bread. So I like it more dry and more like a mashed potato. The next one is coconut chutney made from coconut. It's pure vegetarian. And I like it thicker also because, again, it won't wet the bread. So this is the way I like to eat it. I like to take the puri and then I like to take the chutney and I like to smear it on top generously. The chutney can be spicy or not, it's up to you. Okay. And then I like to take the aloo bhaji, which should be drier. This one's quite wet, which is not very good, but you can get the idea from it. It's drier, like mashed potato, okay? As I said earlier, when it's wet, it makes the bread wet, so you have to eat it faster, which is not very enjoyable. So this is basically it, okay? And then what I like to do is I like to take it and I like to wrap it into a roll, like a burrito kind of thingy, and then cut it and then eat it like so. Now another thing I like to add to it, which is not part of it, but you can get it, is paneer masala. Okay, you can get vegetarian paneer masala, but the basic breakfast is puri, aloo bhaji, and chutney. I repeat, puri, aloo bhaji, and chutney. Aloo bhaji is aloo and bhaji is vegetable. So aloo is potato and vegetable. Potato and vegetable. Chutney is coconut sauce. This is butter paneer masala. It has cottage cheese in it. It can be vegan, and it has a special sauce, and it should be red, not very spicy. I like to put a little bit of that inside. It's not necessary, but it adds a little flavor. Okay, then you can close it up again, and then that's it. And if you really want to go traditional, then you can have a nice cup of Indian masala chai or masala tea with it, and that's a very nice Indian breakfast. They usually give you 2 pieces of puri bread, but I only take 1 because 2 is kind of too much. So I repeat to everyone, we have puri, aloo bhaji, chutney. Aloo bhaji should never ever be watery. It should be mashed. Okay, if they give it to you watery, remove the water. Just remove the water so it'll be more dry. Otherwise, when it's inside, it makes it wet. All right, enjoy your breakfast. Thank you.